There's plenty of things you could do. You don't need any equipment. If you wanted to use equipment, you could use a chair, you could use a rag, and there's dozens of variations to do that with. But let's just say you wanted to do weight loss, you can just look up Tabata training, T-A-B-A-T-A. It's a style of high intensity interval training, and it's run on like a 20-second timer with go time and then a 10-second timer for stop, and you run through the same exercise times 8. So it takes about 4 minutes per exercise, and you do just 4 different things. So let's just say you wanted to get creative and do like a lunge. So it would be like dropping the back knee and then raising back up, switching legs. You could do your squat. If you wanted to increase more, you could hold a water bottle, squat down and press upward. You could do sliders. So that would be like 1 foot back, 1 foot back. You could extend that by when you put 1 foot back, drop the back knee like a curtsy lunge. And the list goes on, just getting creative. And there's a lot of answers for that, even just on YouTube and other sources too.